Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And today we will have member of Toyota family. It's a Lexus. And it's a 2013 Lexus RX350, which you can see here. And I will invite you to the automatic transmission fluid inspection, right? So if you look underneath the hood, there's absolutely everything is covered by the plastic. There's absolutely nothing you can see, and you probably guessed it already that this 6-speed automatic transmission, right, which you can see the bottom of it right here, has no dipstick, right? Obviously this one is 2-wheel drive, right? So you are looking at it. Regarding the manual, it's a 6-speed. The RX450, they could have a 8-speed, but this one it's a 6-speed ATF, automatic transmission, right? So how we check the fluid? How do we know? Almost 80,000 miles. Now I'm inspecting it for the owner. The SUV looks perfect. Everything seems to be great, but I have no history if somebody ever touched this fluid. What to do? And since I have zero history on this vehicle, right, the owner, I just met him, I don't know what was happening with it. I'm not just going to say, hey, due to the 80,000 miles, I automatically recommend to you the automatic transmission fluid flush. Well, that might be a problem, because what if somebody did it? Does it look like original crusher washer? It does. But again, you better be serious about your work, right? If you do this stuff, if it was done recently, that will be a huge mistake to tell them, hey, we recommend it. So what we are going to do, we will take a very little sample of the fluid, right? This is a hex number 6. And I will carefully get a sample of that ATF. I will take so little, it will not affect the functionality, but I will be able to inform the owner as a part of this inspection, which I'm performing and I'm getting paid for. I will able to show them, and here we go. I don't have to go further, and I won't, because again, if they don't approve it, I don't want to have missing fluid in this tranny. I got a sample, and you guys will not believe how bad it is. But first, let's immediately close it, right, and clean everything. So once again, hex number 6, careful torque that crusher washer which is underneath it, right? So this vehicle, it's approximately 6 years old. It's in fantastic shape. Everything looks beautiful and new. But look at the sample of that automatic transmission fluid. That's almost nothing, right? This is not like a whole bucket of it, so it will be not transparent anymore. No, that's a thin layer of the fluid which I got out. And you remember, right, this vehicle takes Toyota ATF WS, so it's a world standard. And you remember how transparent and light red color it has, right? So this is definitely something I will recommend to this owner to consider as a preventative maintenance and do the transmission flush. And I can honestly tell you right here, I don't feel this is some excessive upselling, right, and premature maintenance. No. If I purchase this vehicle today and took this sample, I will make sure that I flush it completely, the tranny, ASAP, right? I will be not concerned about the spark plugs or whatever this is really important. So I will hurry up and continue with my inspection for this owner. He's waiting for the results. I have to finish that report and text him the results, right? That entire report. But as you can see, right, this is absolutely beautiful. There are parts on this vehicle which looks brand new. If you look down there, that must be driven only on the roads, never in the dust. I believe this vehicle is fully garaged. It just looks like that. Really beautiful. And I believe this automatic transmission flush is really needed. So thanks for watching, and be subscribed. I will keep filming a lot of stuff in my shop for you on this channel. See you later, my friend.